Me, my husband, and my daughter all have terrible allergies, and we are a pet home, so I heard great things about the Aspen. So I decided to test it out in my home, and it made such a big difference within the first couple of hours, like probably even less than that in my house. So I said right away, well, this thing's staying in the house. I'm keeping this. So yeah, that's why. A few things. Like I said, I have a pet, so I definitely noticed the allergies that I had prior to the Aspen had subsided 100%. So I used to wake up every morning with a stuffy nose, same thing with my daughter, my husband, the stuffiness, the coughing. And from the first night that I had it in my bedroom, I woke up completely not congested, no coughing, breathing easy. So it really has made a huge impact on my family, my life, my daughter's life, my husband's life. So very appreciative of that. On top of the allergies, and those symptoms subsiding, I definitely noticed that it eliminates any odors. So in my home, my bedroom is above our kitchen. So when you cook, you can smell it. But now, since I've had the Aspen in my home, you don't smell anything on the second floor. So that is also, I love that change. I didn't realize how much I would like that improvement, but it has made a big impact, positive impact. I would 100% recommend the Aspen to friends, family, anybody who has struggled with allergies, just feels like, there isn't a solution. I'm just going to have to live with this for the rest of my life, or, take a pill for the rest of my life. I would say try the Aspen. Just put it in your house for a couple of days and see what happens. If it's anything like my experience, it'll make a dramatic difference.